Here we have all of our accessories laid out. We'll start with the suction hoses. We have a short one, 1 meter long, with suction hose ducts. We have a 2 meter long, the hose adapter, a regulator with brackets, the air hose and drain hoses, power cord, USB cable, T-handle hex wrench 2.5 millimeter, a ferrite core, the hose clamp, collet wrench, torque sleeves, 0.6 Newton meters and 0.3 Newton meters, hex bits, 2.5, 3, and 1.5 millimeter, screwdriver handles, hex wrench, 2.5 millimeter, tool rack, a brush, the tools, ZRB 200D, CPB 100D, CPB 50D, and CPB 30D. Storage box, screws for mounting the adapters into the machine, extra set of screws for the pin type adapter, extra screws for our adapters or open edge adapters, a dummy pin, set screws, dummy pin cleaner, microfiber, burr holders, the milling burr positioner, 2 wax blocks disc, the open edge adapter, the calibration jig, the pin type adapter, documentation, adapter labels, the material adapters, 6 of them, and an adapter rack. Here we go.